welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Pope Francis' visit to Verona on 18th May 2024 was relaunched on social media thanks to the contribution of students from the Salesian University Institute of Venice and reporters from Cube Radio, who delivered a special version of the event's logo to artists Amadeus and Ligabue, among the protagonists of the Arena of Peace segment of the event, broadcast by RAI. For several months, Claudio Rosato, David Leonardi, Eleona Lucrezia, Flor Maria Montan and Matilde Dal Forno supported the digital communication of the 5 working groups that came together in the Arena of Peace event. The 4th provincial chapter of the Salesian Vice Province of the Byzantine Rite ended in Lviv with the celebration of the Moleben Marian celebration in the Eastern Rite in honor of the Holy Mother of God and help of Christians. This took place from 17th to 19th May, inspired by the theme of the 29th General Chapter GC29. Passionate about Jesus Christ, dedicated to young people, living our Salesian vocation faithfully and prophetically. The provincial chapter experienced 3 intense days of work, rich in reflection, insights, sharing and proposals on the topics covered. It was in a festive atmosphere that the young people of the Salesian Youth Movement SYM of Portugal welcomed Cardinal Angel Fernandes Artime, Rector Major of the Salesians of Don Bosco, on the occasion of the SYM meeting that took place on 18 May in Fatima. Hundreds of young people gathered in the auditorium of the Paul VI Pastoral Center and celebrated St. John Bosco's childhood dream with the Rector Major. Let's Advance in the Dream was the title of the show, Art and Faith, that the SYM from the different schools and settings of the Salesians and the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians brought to the stage. This year, the SYM celebration had the special presence of the Rector Major, who was in the Fatima to preside over the pilgrimage of the Salesian family. The 13th provincial chapter of the Blessed Michael Rua Vice Province of Southern Africa, Eswatini, Lesotho and South Africa concluded with a Eucharist of Thanksgiving celebrated on 21st May at the Bosco Youth Center in Walkerville, Johannesburg. A total of 18 chapter members, together with 2 young Salesians, gathered for 4 days to discuss the theme, Passionate about Jesus Christ, dedicated to the young, in order to live our Salesian vocation faithfully and prophetically. For the first time, the provincial chapter of the AFM Vice Province was prepared by a preparatory commission comprising the moderator, Father Linguane Taile, and 2 other members in place since last November. The 72 national pilgrimage of the Salesian family to Fatima was enriched by the presence of the Rector Major of the Salesians. On this occasion, the Salesian family renewed its devotion to Mary, Mother of the Church, teacher of St. John Bosco and guide of the Salesian congregation. Also, as part of his visit to Portugal, the Rector Major took place in celebrations for the Salesian Youth Movement National Day on 18th May. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.